another thing.
Another thing. That time, before two of you marry, is he a church goer? Before two of you marry,
so before then, all was to go me or committees go. Those just go deep, those in this go when so cut everything short. Get up as remain. This is your also deep cultures remake or so men and cultures remain. Or just is you a lot of boss. But I know my palokita or canca. Who catch a penny in a mandinesi. Many things. But I'm one sad, it's in all but on a pussy who send you. One must say the house, you make the house dirty. The honor bury all the time. I make the go sing one more, yeah, happy on one saying I can see when children in the compound used to enter. In my back, I could say, I can say, Ebuka Daddy is doing chuchu. So I am one now, but
bring the girl on Tuesday. Why are you bringing the team doctor in your house?
Even when I pay for
huh?
Nothing but I'm going to worship for me. If I have my freedom of worship, but I'm not. I'm not choosing Igbo Omenala. I'm not here for now. Unless I can make my arrest. She can make my arrest. I come back. The time when she can make my arrest, I just Igbo Omenala.
There's the why you on phone here. The native doctors. They need on the post on Facebook. All native doctors. There's the why. One of those. There's the why I cannot find a phone. I don't understand. I will say darkness and light in the same house. I'm asking. So this is the pain, but I try to make my opposites all this why. Because the money I back on, so just now you're chineke. Can you make them know where they are wherever? So I'm just to put me on all those things.
Okay, give me a microphone. Let's first of all finish the reconciliation by speaking to the man, the husband of the woman he pregnanted. Before we get to him being native doctor or that.
I'm not a native doctor. I'm not a native doctor.
What are you doing? Why are you putting in your house?
That is Omenala tradition. Igbo Omenala. I don't know Omenala. I'm Omenala.
Omenala. Ever about Igbo. Is Lagos Igbo land? Our ancestors Omenala. Hanemi and Lagos. So get in Lagos. Omenala. Ever about land. Must you bring in zoo in your house in Lagos? Omenala. What do you know about your Omenala? Do you think Omenala is idol worshiper? I am number one on your Omenala. I believe in Omenala. That is right. Our culture, the way we got married, that is Omenala. Are you hearing me? Igbo culture, Igbos respect Oji. We use Oji for prayer. That is Omenala. Those things, there's nothing bad about it. Igbos believe in traditional marriage, New Yam Festival. That is our Omenala. So wherever an Igbo person is, they respect Yam. That is Omenala. Omenala is not idol worshiper. Omenala is not welcoming the spirit from the river. He said we are doing Omenala. That is why this case in Enugu State, somebody will be burying people alive, saying they are doing Omenala. When have our Omenala been idol worship? I know Omenala very, very well. I was born in a royal family. Omenala is not idol worship. There is a difference between Omenala and Ordinala. Ordinala bo Odibendi. Oka does not eat enwe. That is Odibendi. Oka. Enwe piaba anyina. Anye were eme pepper soup. Odibendi. Mbano, where my mother come from, they eat eke. My mom is from Mbano in Imo State. Hane eri eke. But in my place where I come from, in Olu, we don't eat eke. Odibendi. Newi does not eat ewi. That is newi. But ewi cross over anye were eme pepper soup. Odibendi and Omenala is two different things. There is no how time Omenala becomes idol worship. You will go and begin to call less than one spirits in the water. He said we are doing Omenala. I don't understand. That's why you see a case of somebody in Enugu who saw it and burying people alive, even pregnant woman. I saw it. If you ask them, they said they are doing Omenala. Omenala is not invoking bad spirit from the river. That is not Omenala and Igbo. Igbo have a wonderful culture. We have a days of our market or depending. My village market is Nkwo. It's only Nkwo that market. Go to Omoma, Ori Omoma, that is Odibendi, Ori Nempi, Eke Ututu, Odibendi. If you go to see Hitopa, when they used to do their market, that's why it's Eke Ututu. People will grow up, they say, Omenala, destroying our culture. Omenala, Omenala, bad spirits from the river. So those things, you throw it away. Omenala is to respect elders. Omenala Igbo that you cannot sleep with somebody's wife and pregnant her. So for you to do that, you are working against the tradition of our land. And people like you, they're supposed to because you are attracted by spirit. Touching a married woman is info in Igbo land. So what kind of Omenala is our people? Somebody will go to the river, throw Fanta in the river. If you ask them, they say they are doing Omenala. That is idol worship, marine worshippers. Omenala Igbo is strong. That anywhere you see Igbo people, wherever they are, both Igbos in Delta, Igbos in rivers, they acknowledge Eke, Orie, Afo, Nko. Igbo culture. New Yam Festival. So, throw those things away. If you want to worship idol, come out that you're a native daughter, you're worshiping idol, deity, shrine. But those things are not Igbo culture. During the early days of our fathers, everybody was not worshiping idol. Am I lecturing you now? Throwing Uzu, calling marine, these days, I don't more buying into so many people. Some people now, when they could not marry, they stay there as a wine. Fanta carrier, Mirinda carrier. If you go to our river, even the mommy water in the river, diabetes will come to that marine spirit. Because the level of Fanta they are dropping for this mommy water. If you check all the mommy water in our land, they will have diabetes now. It's not our culture. We should know what is Igbo culture. Ritualist is not Igbo culture. It's not Igbo culture. Igbo have a wonderful culture. Our dancing style, our New Yam Festival, respecting elders, not touching somebody's wife, not sleeping with his siblings. This is against our culture. In those olden days, if a man sleep with his cousin or nephew, but these days people are doing it. Which Omenala? My grandfather was a king for 40-something years in Obolo. The oldest king before he died. I grew up in a family that is royal, that respects elders. I understand the Omenala. That's why when I hear people talking about Omenala and Omenala, I used to be laughing at them. So, you have to go back to Jesus Christ, who is the way, the truth, and the life. And give your life to him. I support Omenala. I don't support idol worship. There was a time some charismatic people were telling me, hey, Brother Ebuka, you have a very big platform, and some pastors. We want you to speak that during the time Igbo daughters will be getting married, they should stop using ungo or unko, those palm wine. They should stop using. We should be using Fanta or wine because we are Christians. I told them I will never support that. Our tradition, no unko can hang, and unko is allowed. No unko. That is what they do use it for. We cannot change our tradition by using Fanta and wine. Unko keji emie. And there is nothing bad about unko and unko. God who created unko. On the wedding in Cana, people drank and they were satisfied. So I believe in Omenala. What I don't believe is in ritualists, idol worship, going to river. Those things are not Omenala. They are not our culture. Each is to come, I will do you charm. You will go and be doing yahoo yahoo, and you will be getting money. It's not our culture. Telling our people, I will do charm for you. If you carry cocaine and cross to Brazil, America, Europe, they will not catch you. And that is why many of our people are in the prison today. It's not our culture. Are you listening to what I'm saying now? Talk, let me hear you.
Yeah, yes.
So 2 of you will go and come back on Tuesday. Are you hearing me? God bless 2 of you.
Thank you.
Did they hear the meaning of Omenala and Omenala?
Yes, sir.
Oh, are you man of Omenala? Are you not aware? Number 1, I promote our culture. That is why I'm Jebura Kuru. Give somebody a high 10.